The Good World Facts and News channel. Ever scrolled through Instagram and felt a twinge of envy at those perfectly posed celebrity shots? We live in an age obsessed with fame. But what if you could bottle that feeling and offer it as a service? That's the brilliant idea behind starting a fake paparazzi business. It's about giving everyday people a taste of the VIP treatment, complete with flashing cameras and the thrill of being papped. This isn't just a novelty act, though. It's a booming business opportunity with surprisingly low startup costs. This video will guide you through the steps of turning this fun concept into a profitable venture. We'll explore everything from defining your target market to mastering the art of the staged paparazzi shot. Get ready to unleash your inner entrepreneur and capitalize on our culture's fascination with fame. With a bit of creativity and hustle, you'll be creating unforgettable experiences and building a successful business in no time. Let's dive in. Imagine this, a bride glowing as paparazzi capture her walk into her reception, a birthday boy feeling like a star as cameras flash around him. This is the essence of a fake paparazzi business, crafting the illusion of celebrity for a day. It's about capturing the excitement, the energy, and the fun of a red carpet moment, even if the red carpet is rolled out in someone's living room. But it's not just about snapping photos, it's about crafting and think beyond the lens. Consider incorporating elements like a mock red carpet, a backdrop with your client's name on it, even faux reporters asking playful questions. The key is to make your clients feel like they're truly in the spotlight. This business model thrives on our desire for unique, shareable experiences. In the age of social media, everyone wants that picture-perfect moment to share with the world. By providing a stage for those moments, you're not just offering a service. You're tapping into a powerful desire for attention and recognition. Remember, people are the stars of their own stories. Your job is to help them tell those stories in a fun, engaging, and undeniably celebrity way. Please, take a moment to like and subscribe. One of the best things about starting a fake paparazzi business is the low barrier to entry. You don't need fancy equipment or years of experience to get started. In fact, you can launch this business with little more than a decent camera, a few enthusiastic friends, and a whole lot of creativity. Start by thinking about your network. Do you have friends who love photography? Do you know someone with a knack for creating engaging videos? These are your potential team members. Remember, in the early stages, passion and energy are far more important than professional-grade skills. Next, leverage the power of social media. Create a business profile on platforms like Instagram and TikTok where you can showcase your services and attract potential clients. Post behind-the-scenes glimpses of your photo shoots, share testimonials from happy customers, and run contests to boost engagement. The best part, social media marketing is free and incredibly effective. Remember, starting small doesn't mean thinking small. Approach this venture with professionalism and dedication. Create a simple website outlining your services and pricing. Network with local businesses and event planners who might be interested in your unique offerings. With a bit of hustle and a lot of heart, you can turn this side hustle into a full-blown success story. One of the keys to success in any business is understanding your target market. And the beauty of the fake paparazzi business is its broad appeal. You can cater to a wide range of clients, from individuals celebrating special occasions to businesses looking for unique marketing opportunities. Think about the events that people love to document. Weddings, birthday parties, anniversaries, graduations. These are all prime opportunities for your services. People are already looking to capture these special moments. You're simply offering a more fun, engaging, and memorable way to do it. But don't limit yourself to private events. Businesses are always searching for creative ways to stand out. Consider offering your services for corporate events, product launches, or even team-building activities. Imagine the buzz you could create by having paparazzi swarm the CEO at a company party. You can even tailor your services to specific niches. Love working with kids? Offer superstar photo shoots for children's birthday parties. Passionate about fashion? Partner with local boutiques to create street-style experiences for their customers. The possibilities are endless. Assembling your A-team friends, family, and flashbulbs. No paparazzi operates alone, and neither should you. Building a strong team is crucial for delivering a stellar client experience. But don't worry, you don't need to hire a Hollywood-level crew. Start with the people you know. Think about your friends and family members. Do you have a friend who's a natural behind the camera? A cousin with a knack for asking hilarious interview questions? These are your potential recruits. In the beginning, enthusiasm and a willingness to learn are just as valuable as technical skills. As your business grows, you can consider expanding your team with freelance photographers, videographers, or even actors to play the role of reporters. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr are great resources for finding talented individuals. Remember, a successful team is built on communication, collaboration, and a shared vision. Clearly define roles and responsibilities. Hold regular meetings to discuss ideas and feedback. And most importantly, have fun. When your team is genuinely excited about the work, that energy will translate into an unforgettable experience for your clients. Packaging your pizzazz, branding your paparazzi business. In the world of showbiz, image is everything, and your fake paparazzi business is no exception. Creating a strong brand identity will help you stand out from the competition and attract clients who are looking for a touch of glamour. Start with a catchy business name that evokes the excitement and energy of your services. Think short, memorable, and slightly cheeky. Once you have a name, invest in a professional-looking logo. Websites like Fiverr offer affordable logo design services. Next, consider your brand's visual identity. What kind of feeling do you want to evoke? Fun and playful? Sophisticated and chic? Choose colors, fonts, and imagery that reflect your brand personality. Don't forget about your online presence. Your website and social media profiles should be visually appealing and easy to navigate. Use high-quality photos and videos to showcase your services. And be sure to include client testimonials to build credibility. Finally, think about your unique selling proposition, or USP. What sets your fake paparazzi business apart from the rest? Do you offer custom backdrops, personalized interview questions? Identify your strengths and highlight them in your marketing materials. Remember, branding is about more than just a logo and a color scheme. It's about creating a cohesive and memorable experience for your clients from the moment they discover your business to the second they share their fabulous photos on social media. Lights, camera, practice, honing your craft. While enthusiasm and creativity are essential ingredients for a successful fake paparazzi business, don't underestimate the importance of practice. Honing your craft will ensure you deliver high-quality photos and videos that your clients will cherish. You don't need top-of-the-line equipment to get started. A decent smartphone camera or a basic DSLR camera will suffice. Focus on mastering the fundamentals of photography, such as composition, lighting, and posing. There are countless online resources and tutorials available for free. Practice makes perfect, so gather your friends and family and stage mock photo shoots. Experiment with different angles, lighting setups, and poses. The more you practice, the more confident and skilled you'll become behind the lens. Don't forget about the paparazzi aspect. Encourage your team to be energetic and animated. Practice capturing those candid, in-the-moment shots that make paparazzi photos so dynamic. Think about incorporating props like microphones, boom mics, or even press badges to enhance the realism. Remember, your goal is to create an experience, not just take pictures, so have fun with it. The more you enjoy the process, the more your clients will too, and the better your photos and videos will be. To show me the money, pricing, and promotion. Now that you've got the creative side down, let's talk business. Pricing your services strategically and implementing effective promotion methods will ensure your fake paparazzi business is profitable. Consider factors like the length of the photo shoot, the number of photographers involved, and additional services. Offer tiered packages to cater to different budgets. Promotion is key. Leverage social media, network with local businesses, and offer referral discounts. The more visible you are, the more likely you are to attract clients. Balance pricing and promotion for long-term success. Delivering the dream from click to client. You've captured the perfect shots, the energy was electric, and your clients are buzzing with excitement. Now it's time to deliver the final product and exceed their expectations. How you present and deliver your photos is crucial. Ensure your photos are high resolution and properly formatted. Offer both digital and physical copies. Communication is key throughout the process. Follow up to thank them and encourage reviews. Encourage them to share and tag your business. Word-of-mouth marketing is powerful. Build relationships for long-term success. Grab your camera, gather your team, and get ready to make memories and money in the world of faux fame.